Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm actually going to be doing a unboxing. So a lot of you guys who have been following me know that I am a part of an amazing club, and through this amazing club I met this wonderful woman named Chris, and she just started this amazing women's empowerment subscription service. So she has a monthly subscription service and she sends a box. So the box looks like this. Oh, please forgive my box that it was so full that it got stuck in my mailbox and I had to like yank it out. So it comes in this box. As you can see, it says shaped, and it says shapewithchris.com. So I'm going to be showing you guys the amazing goodies that are in here. So she starts off with a card that has a description of all of the products that are going to be inside of the box. This month's theme is actually she believed she could, so she did, which is obviously phenomenal. As you guys can see right here, the she believes she could cosmetics. Yeah. So that seems to be the amazing theme this year, of just woman empowerment, picking up and just believing that you can do these things. And guess what? She believed that she can start this, and it is amazing. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go through all of the items that are in this box. So this right here says your box has arrived. Please share your unboxing photos and videos. So I'm going to go through everything now and show you guys everything that came. So first of all, she has a very beautiful thank you card, and I love the fact that she has a handwritten note in the back. So I think that is so amazing when people take the time out to write a handwritten note. So it is so amazing, Chris, that you did that. So thank you so much. So the first thing that I'm actually going to pull out is called a all to him prayer journal. So this is amazing. It says, this is the day that the Lord has made. Look at how beautiful, right? It's so pretty. And oh my gosh, this stuff is like amazing quality. This is not like some cheap stuff. This is just like amazing quality. So then it has like a whole bunch of pages where you can fill with your prayers and such. So I think that that's really dope. I'm definitely gonna get a use of this journal. I'm so excited about this. Okay, this also came with a coupon code, so you get 15% off on her website on Etsy. So that's awesome. The next thing that I'm gonna pull out is amazing. I've been dying to try this and I just hadn't ordered yet, so I was so hyped when I saw that it came in the box. So it's actually from Team No Sleep, and it's Team No Sleep energy drink. So this is actually the energy shot, and I'm so excited to try it because I've heard nothing but amazing things about this energy shot. So she also gives you a coupon code for the Team No Sleep energy shot plus energy drinks that they have. So that is super duper dope. Next, I have these Jalen Sky candles. These are 100% soy wax candles, and they're made with faith, hope, and love. I'm obsessed with the theme of this box, and just the empowerment and the love and the faith and the belief is just amazing. So these candles, they smell so yummy, but I love the fact that they have this beautiful image just printed. Let me just pull them out the box because it is giving the reflex. And as you can see, they have this beautiful print on the side. It's so pretty. It's actually like this like a heart on like the ground and like stones. Nothing says self-love like relaxation. Relax in the tub or change the ambiance in any room by lighting your lavender scented tea lights. So that is what is on the inside. That's lavender pieces, which is so dope. Wow, this just really smells so good. The next beautiful thing to pull out of this box is a She Believes She Could bracelet. So beautiful. I actually have one of these already, but I am so happy to receive another one. That is so awesome. The next thing that I'm going to be pulling out is called B Force bands. These are the booty bands, and yo, she be getting it in. Her exercises are amazing and her body is to die for. She's definitely goals. So there is like different levels in the resistance bands here, which is awesome. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different levels. So that is so dope. You guys can see it comes like this. So I'll definitely be using these to work out. I actually have a set, but I'm going to be using these as well, and I'll probably be giving some away as well to show her some love. You guys will go over and see everything that she has to offer. Next, we have this Plant Positivity, Grow Inspiration, No Cards by Amy Wise. So there are 8 different inspirational cards in here, which is so nice. And the last item in the box is actually so dope. It's a self-love book. This is called Flipping Awesome, The Art and Science of Perseverance, Self-Love, and Getting Your Shit Together by Christina Torres. So this is awesome. I cannot wait to read this book. I think that this box is absolutely amazing. This was her launching box, so it's shaped July 2018 box. This is just so amazing, girl. I absolutely love every single item in this box. You're so bomb. I wish you nothing but amazing success in this business endeavor and in everything that you do in your life, girl. Congratulations, and I look forward to seeing next month's box. So yeah, guys, you guys head on over, go check her out. If you guys are interested in getting your own women's empowerment, self-love box, then you guys can do so. You guys better make sure y'all tell her that I sent you, though, you know. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little shaped unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change.